Hey guys, how we doing? We have a MESSENGER4V here today that I got in on a trade a while back. I'm moving my shop. We're sold our house and we're moving across country, so this will probably be the last thing I put up for a while. Just thought maybe I'd look at it before I packed it, and then I ended up getting involved in fixing it while I was waiting for a part for this RCI here. The part came in, it was the wrong part, so now I'm just gonna give a refund on this and hold on to it for a while. When the part comes in, I'll fix this and put it back on. But RCI, what I did on this one, just so you know, has a low output, no amp on, amp on, so dead key on it is a whopping 1 watt right now with the amp off. Audio swings about 12, so that's what we're going to be driving this Messenger with. This is a it has 2 pills driving 8, 2 MFR 455s, and 8 SD 1446s. It has the, you'll see from the pictures, the ground strap was installed in it. I didn't install it, it was like that. I had to change a couple capacitors that were undersized, and one of the coils was undersized, so we changed the coil out. And that was about all we had to do to it, and we did a little tune on it. It's not tuned to its fullest, just to let you know that. I don't like running things hardboard out. Right now, the way this is set up, it'll really run a long time with a dead key on it. It does get warm though. You're gonna have to get a fan or some circulation under it. I would suggest a fan. There is a little fan jack on the back that you can use. So on the front, looks nice and clean. It has this little hole here. I don't have any idea why the hole is there, what they had mounted. If there was a light in there, I don't know. I couldn't figure it out. But here you go. Let's turn her on. So I have the squelch set on this, so you can't really hear the volume right now. But you'll see that the receive, when I turn the receive on, breaks that squelch. Receive light works. So the receive amp's working on it. Just give a little test. So as you've seen, I'm going to go up to the 200 watt scale. We got a watt into it. Audio. So we're pegging the 200 watt scale on low. I'm going to go to the 2K. Dead key, you can see there's hardly anything there. Audio. We're swinging about 450 on low. Medium. It's my dog, he wants to talk on the radio too sometimes. So again, low dead key. Audio. Jumps up to about 600. Then on high. Audio. About 725 out of it. It could easily be made to do 1,000 watts, but again, I mean, look, you all know audio's king, not power, right? Low dead key. Hello. Audio. Yeah, easy 700 out of it. And that's only with, like I said, let's turn it off and we'll check our dead key again. It's a watt. I'm putting a watt in, driving to 10, 11 watts. But I wouldn't suggest using any more than 4 watts going into this. You know, you're going to heat it up. Yeah, you'll get some more wattage out of it, but you're going to sound the same. So keep your wattage low, 4 watts, swing 12, 15, 20, whatever. That's about all I'd keep doing with this. You'll see the pictures on the back. There was some modifications to the back. They took the fuse out of it. Fuse is kind of cheesy anyway that they have in there for what amperage it's pulling. 100 amps. Or no, it's not pulling 100 amps, but should be rated for 100 amps. I don't think that fuse holder is. So they pulled the thing out. You'll see in the picture also there's 2 power lines going in, and they put 2 grounds in, and that ground strap was put in there, and the 2 separate grounds like that to help get the flow of current through the transistors, because with such a small board that this lays on, such a small package, you're not able to get the flow you need through the transistors. So that was a trick they started doing back in the day, is putting that phenolic. It has it's copper, little phenolic, and then copper again. It's not a solid piece of copper. That's supposed to help with the heat transfer also off of the transistors. So I ran this with the top off for quite a time. I did some dead keying for about 2-minute, 3-minute dead key that I was just talking into it, mumbling, singing happy birthday, and I wasn't gonna tape that and show everyone. But yeah, it didn't get too hot really. You know, the hottest part was the switch. It got hot, and I found a loose connection on there, cold solder joint, so we fixed that. So it doesn't run so hot. I was running it pretty good for a while. So here it is, guys, MESSENGER4V. It's a very good amplifier, built very well. I like them better than the Texas Stars, and there's always a debate about which one's better. I think that the Messenger used much higher quality parts than the Texas Stars did, but Texas Stars is a good amp too. But here you go, guys. As you can see, it's got a little damage on it. I didn't do anything to the box. I'm not painting it. If you guys want to paint it, it has some Velcro on the top that you guys, it'll pull right off and you can clean it up. I just don't have the time or the patience right now with the move. So this is it, guys. As you can see, it's a working Messenger 4. I don't have the remote for it, so if you need the remote, good luck trying to find it. I know they're out there, but they're hard to come by. You could always wire some switch up or something just to power it off and on. But listen, guys, have a good one. Hope to see you in the future, maybe a month, by the time I get moved and my shop built back up. And a lot of stuff to move. I've been packing stuff. I mean, I haven't really touched any. I've been just packing. This is some future projects coming up that you'll see. A 201, 201A that has a frequency counter built into it. Once again, I didn't do that. I don't like the facing tube radios like that. And here's some stuff I just got done refurbishing not long ago. That SX100 and a speaker. And there's a Madison up there. I have a Cobra 2000. I have a DAC. I have some Robin T123s and 240s that are going to be getting put in. And here's my dog out there. Say hi, boy. Yeah, there he is. Look at that guy. He's an old boy hanging out watching the house for me while I'm working, you know. So, guys, again, 73s. God bless, and have a good day.